For 9 months, a mother's body changes in ways she can never imagine. But with those changes comes fears, questions, and uncertainties on how she's going to navigate that particular journey. At Malaica Maternity Hospital, mothers are not left to walk this journey alone. Let's take a look at this particular story.
When carrying a pregnancy, every woman hopes to have a safe delivery. For many women, pregnancy is a journey filled with excitement and uncertainty. But with a good support system, that boat becomes easy to row.
The delivery, it's my first time to be a mom, so of course there's like a jittery that comes with hospitals and stuff, but I think I'm in safe hands.
Faith, she is counting days when she will have to put to bed. Heavy with a bundle of joy, the first-time mom can't hide her excitement.
Still. That's one thing that every pregnant woman does.
For Faith, it was a journey into the unknown, her first time, her first pregnancy, and a moment that will change her life forever.
Having a set of professionals, people to work with you, has really made me somewhat comfortable. Even the fears that I have, I don't have. I'm quite confident that despite of the challenges that come with pregnancy, they've been able to walk me through and make my journey somewhat easier.
As it would have been expected when she discovered she was pregnant, questions quickly followed. What should she eat? What signs should she worry about? And most importantly, was she doing everything right for her baby? As a first-time mother, Faith needed more than medical care. She needed reassurance, guidance, and a place that will walk with her from the very first trimester all the way to delivery.
Another myth or fear that I had as a first-time mom is, am I able to carry this baby to term? You know, will I just sleep the wrong time and that's it, she's dead or he's dead? But trying to debunk such myths and telling you these are the right positions you can, use, or tools like pregnancy pillows and stuff. Every fear that I had, they sort of have a solution to make it easier for me, and I love it.
So we bring all that together and give you information, as I told you, that's curated, evidence-based, for us to be able to work closely with you and try to allay these fears that will come up in your pregnancy. Okay. Yep.
At Malaica, pregnancy is not treated as a single hospital visit, but as a full journey. From early prenatal checkups, nutrition counseling, routine scans, to constant follow-ups, Faith's pregnancy was closely monitored at every stage. Doctors here say this kind of continuity of care is critical, especially for the first-time mothers.
But even as you go through the journey, remember pregnancy is 3 trimesters. When you say 3 trimesters, you're literally just dividing the pregnancy into 3 months. And each of these trimesters have their own concerns, all right? So sometimes a lady can have some things like, you're feeling pain, or, you're wondering, I'm pregnant and I'm bleeding. Is that supposed to be normal? Okay, I'm not feeling my baby. Is it supposed to be normal at a particular point in your trimester? All right? Is my baby growing well? Okay, or if you have a certain condition and you're wondering, how will this be with my pregnancy? Maybe you've been diagnosed prior with things like high blood pressure. So we bring all that together and give you information, as I told you, that's curated, evidence-based, for us to be able to work closely with you and try to allay these fears that will.
For Faith, each visit brought more confidence. Every question was answered. Every concern is taken seriously. And every milestone, from hearing her baby's heartbeat to watching her belly grow, was shared with professionals who understood her fears. Malaica's approach goes beyond treatment. It's about building trust, empowering women with information, and ensuring no mother walks the journey alone.
100% you need community. It is very difficult to go through pregnancy, postpartum without that kind of support. It's very difficult. You may have people all around you, but sometimes if they're not, you know, pregnant, they don't know what you're feeling in that time. So a lot of the time when you have other people who are going through the same thing with you, it helps you feel like, oh, I'm not alone, or it's soon going to pass. So if people can give you advice from, you know, people who have gone through.
Health experts say close monitoring during pregnancy can make the difference between complications and safe delivery, allowing doctors to detect risks early, manage conditions promptly, and ensure both mother and baby remain healthy. For women like Faith, that support can be a life-changing experience.
When you say worst off, I'll put it quote unquote, because yeah, we don't go say telling patients, yeah, you look like you've been having a bad time. No. What we try and do is the needs that you have, we address them. Yeah.
Everyone does, you go for your clinic when you first find out you're pregnant, and then the next time you see your doctor is maybe 6 weeks after. In those 6 weeks, you have questions. Am I really pregnant? I'm really feeling sick. What should I do? And so on and so forth. Or you don't really have a support system. Or you may have a support system, but not everyone is pregnant at the stage that you are. So with WhatsApp, you're with moms who are in the very same trimester as you, so you understand each other. You talk about your symptoms together. You talk about your highs and lows together, how you're feeling, what you're thinking. And then also you have a nurse midwife to support you in case you have any medical questions in between or any social questions. So there's that. It's very important. And then WhatsApp.
As Faith prepares to welcome her baby into the world, her journey is a reminder that pregnancy is not meant to be walked alone. With the right care, the right guidance, and close monitoring at every step, every mother, first time or not, can look forward to a safer and more confident journey into motherhood.
We want to make it affordable for as many moms as we can. You know, at the moment, the point of affordability is just that the kind of premium care or the kind of premium experience that we are giving moms, want to make it more affordable.
Brian Amoai, K24.